Hey, if you're a service business owner, you're probably spending too much money on marketing. How do I know that? Because in 2022 alone, I wasted over $14,000 on unprofitable marketing in my business. It's super easy to do as a service business owner. But here's the cool part. I discovered a really simple formula for doubling your take-home profits that works incredibly well for service businesses. It's called the F.R.A.P formula. I personally quadrupled the monthly revenue in my own service company in just 12 months by implementing the principles of the F.R.A.P formula. My friend Chris generated over $7,000 in new business for his carpet cleaning company in just a matter of days by using just one strategy from the F.R.A.P formula. And then Ryan generated almost 30 grand in just 14 days by using this same strategy. So if you own a service business and you're doing anywhere from $100,000 to $1 million in revenue, I want to send you a free resource that does a complete breakdown of what the F.R.A.P formula is, along with real examples of how to implement it in your service company so you can start getting results. Just use the link here in the description. Go to my website and download your free copy right now.